How's it going, PhonLab? It's Root Junkie here, and today's video I want to talk about the difference between the OctoPlus box and the FRP little dongle here, and really the reason you'd want to go with one or the other. Okay, the OctoPlus box here is around $200 when you order it with all the cables and your LG and Samsung activation, so that's pretty pricey. Whereas the FRP dongle, which also does all FRP removal on Samsung and LG, along with tons of other manufacturers, is only about $60. So we're going to show you the difference a little bit and the software on the FRP dongle for OctoPlus box. Let's go do this. Alright guys, so I went ahead and went through all of my setup here on setting up the OctoPlus FRP tool, and here's the program. You just download from their website. It's very simple, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys how it functions on the computer here, show you really all of the options that you have with it. So it's pretty nice. Again, like I said, it does still support Samsung and LG, so you pretty much get everything that OctoPlus has to offer in the FRP world. Or realm, I guess you could say. So let's let the software boot up here and I'll show it to you. Alright, so I'm just going to skip this for remind me later. I'll do that later. But here you go. So here's what you've got. It's very, very simple to use, okay? So even with this, you still get access to their downloads, which is really awesome. So you can still download your Octo files right here very easily, okay? You've got your settings, different things you can set up here, update your firmware, update your cards, so on and so forth. And then you have your FRP menu. So as you can see here, there is a lot to choose from when it comes to manufacturers. Now, the thing I'd point out is, oh, like I got an Alcatel I need to do. Okay, you click on it, but you got to see that, okay, so this one can do quite a few. It can do quite a few devices. They're not all listed here, but there's a lot. But let's look at another one that maybe doesn't have quite so many. Like here, you've got 2, okay? So don't think that just because your model or your manufacturer is listed that it can do every single device that's on the market. But you can see quite a bit here, okay? But then if you go like to something that like I was talking about, like maybe LG, okay, look. See? Everything that would be available on the main OctoPlus box with the LG activation is available here, and you can use it to do FRP reset. And same thing with Samsung, right? So you want Samsung, boom. Okay, same thing, right? It's everything. So that's pretty sweet. But basically what I'm trying to get after is really this dongle for $65 is a great deal because you can do so many devices here when it comes to this setup here, and tons of different manufacturers. So if it's something that an oddball device that maybe most people don't work on, you want to do it, you got Huawei here, right? We can do all of these. There's a lot. There really is a lot that you can do and do FRP removals on using this $60 little dongle, and it's pretty sweet. So here you go. You can see Doogie's only got like 7 devices, but I've used it quite a bit, and it is definitely fun and really simple. Again, like you said, you pick your thing, you pick your your device, and then reset FRP. Click, boom. Normally I'll do a read just to make sure it's communicating correctly. The other thing that's really nice about OctoPlus, and you guys have seen this before, is the help feature. Because once you've got your device selected, it tells you a lot of great information about that, and even things about doing the FRP reset. You know, maybe some steps you need to follow to get it in the right mode, install the drivers, things like that, okay? Also with like links to drivers and things like that. So here you see, universal drivers. Everything you're going to need to do the FRP removal is right there once you select the device that you're trying to work on. But there you go. Besides that, obviously you got to select your COM port or whatever port is needed for the device. Maybe it's a an ADB port or something like that, but you guys can select that right there. But that's going to wrap it up for me. Just wanted to show you guys this, show you basically the unique features of it and why it's a great purchase for the $65 that it costs. So that's going to wrap it up for me, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Root Junkie out.